Finally, a cordless circular saw solution for corded cutting power demands. Introducing the XS H01, the world's first 18-volt 7¼ circular saw powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries. No more having to drag around a cord. Just load two 18-volt LXT batteries and get your cross-cutting and ripping done. The new 18-volt X2 7¼ saw has a powerful Makita-built motor that delivers the power and performance of a corded saw and up to 2.5 times more cuts per charge. The XS H01Z also features a reinforced magnesium base with less weight at only 10.1 pounds. That's up to 5 pounds less weight than some of the popular corded saws in your toolbox today. The XS H01 features a large 2 5/8 cutting capacity, as well as rubberized soft grip handles and levers for increased user comfort. Powered by two fast-charging LXT batteries. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. Welcome to the new 7¼ industry standard. Pro contractors demanded it, and Makita 18-volt X2 delivered.